Hello everyone. Without using a calculator, what is the value of 27 to the power 1 over 5 divided by 27 to the power 1 half? And these are the options you have to select the correct answer for. So let's get started. 27 could be written as 3 to the power 3, then all to the power 1 over 5 divided by 3 to the power 3 all to the power 1 over 2. Now applying the power rule, which says that a to the power m or to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n, we can multiply this 3 straight away by this 1 over 5, right? So we're going to have 3 to the power 3 over 5 divided by, we will do the same thing here, 3 to the power 3 over 2. And we can rewrite this as 3 to the power 3 over 5 divided by 3 to the power 3 over 2. Let's apply another power rule, which says that a to the power b over a to the power c is the same as a to the power b minus c. So meaning we can write this as 3 to the power 3 over 5 minus 3 over 2. And if we simplify the powers, we have 3 to the power, now you'll find the LCM. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, so you'll end up getting 10 here. 5 goes into 10 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. 10 minus 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 3, that is 15. So we end up getting 3 to the power negative 9 over 10. But if you look in the options, we have 3 to the power negative 10 over 9, meaning this is not the correct answer per what we have here. So we can break this one down, right? Now, a to the power minus 1 is the same as 1 over a. Therefore, we can write this as 3 to the power 1. We can write this as 1 over 3 to the power 9 over 10. And we can also write this one in radical form, which is 1 divided by the 10th root of 3 to the power 9. So we have 10th root of 3 to the power 9. So if you look in the options, and that is option B. So if you choose option B, that's the correct answer. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you again on the next video. Bye bye.